Do we pronounce B and V differently? The answer is no. In modern Spanish, B and V sound exactly the same. Ñ, español. J, jamón. G plus E, gente. G plus I, gitano. If we want to pronounce the U when it appears between G and E or G and I, we add the dieresis above the U. For example, vergüenza, shame, pingüino, penguin. Hey, Alea family! Ready to take our next step together? Today, we're going to explore the Spanish alphabet and some key pronunciation rules. Let's go through the Spanish alphabet letter by letter. I'll say each letter, its name in Spanish, and a word example to help you remember it. A, agua. B, bueno. S, cultura. D, doctor. E, estudiar. F, familia. G, gato. H, hola. I, idioma. J, jamón. K, kilómetro. L, letra. M, madre. N, nombre. Ñ, español. O, oro. P, padre. Q, queso. R, regla. S, sombrero. T, tierra. U, universidad. V, vino. W, whisky. X, xilófono. Y, yo. Z, zapato. Now, let's look at some special letter combinations that change pronunciation. C plus C, perfección. C plus E, cena. C plus I, cielo. C plus H, chocolate. G plus E, gente. G plus I, gitano. GUE, guepardo. D, guitarra. Double L, llamarse. Q, queso. Double R, tierra. Important pronunciation. You may have noticed that in words like guepardo, cheetah, guitarra, guitar, the letter U is silent. But if we want to pronounce the U when it appears between G and E or G and I, we add the dieresis above the U. For example, vergüenza, shame, pingüino, penguin. This little detail is very important for correct pronunciation in Spanish. A common question: do we pronounce B and V differently? The answer is no. In modern Spanish, B and V sound exactly the same. For example, bueno, good. Soft B sound, vino, wine. Same B sound. Now it's your turn. Find more info below, and if you have any questions, you know where to find me. A big hug and take care.